Hello everyone and welcome to class of Amazon Glaciers. Today in this class we are going to discuss about data security in Amazon Glacier. So let's discuss about how do we manage our data. So for managing your data, we have to upload an archive to Glacier. That means customers can reliably store large or small amounts of data for as little as 0.0004 dollar per gigabyte per month. That means it is a significant saving compared to on-premises solutions. To keep cost low yet suitable for varying retrieval needs, Amazon Glacier provides three options to access the archives, from a few minutes to several hours. So we require to upload an archive to Glacier. We can download an archive from Glacier and we can delete an archive in Amazon Glacier to manage the data. Now we have Amazon Glacier Vault Lock in order to secure the data. So locking a vault will take into two steps. That means we have two steps for locking a vault. Very first, that we require to initiate the lock by attaching a vault lock policy to your vault, which sets the lock to an in progress state and returns a lock ID. And we can use that lock ID to complete the lock process. If vault lock policy doesn't work as expected, we can abort the lock and restart from the beginning. So that means it allows you to easily deploy and enforce controls for individual Amazon Glacier vaults with the help of vault lock policy, which is that we have to initiate the lock by attaching a policy. We have to set a lock in progress states and we will get a lock ID. That lock ID we can use to complete the process. So we can specify controls, write once, read many in a vault lock policy. Once locked, the policy can no longer be changed. This is a feature for protecting data in Amazon Glacier with vault lock. Next we have authentication. When you sign up for AWS, we provide an email address and password which is associated with AWS account, which is we call it as root user. Now, an IAM user is simply an identity within your AWS account that has custom permissions. We can use an IAM username and password to sign in to secure AWS web pages like AWS Management Console, discussion forums, and support center. This could be similar to our IAM user. IAM role enables you to obtain a temporary access key that can be used to access the various services and resources. Here we have a root user, IAM user, and IAM role for authentication. If we talk about access control, every AWS resource is owned by AWS account and we have permission so that we can create and access a resource which is governed by various policies. Amazon Glacier support policies at a vault level. That means it doesn't support archive level permissions. For all Amazon Glacier actions, resource specifies the vault on which you want to set the permissions. These resources have a unique ARNs, which is Amazon resource names, which are always associated with this. In access control, we have some policies like IAM policies. We can attach a permission policy to a user or a group in your account. We can attach a policy to a role as well. We can manage user permissions in your account in a single vault policy instead of individual user policies. We can manage cross-account permissions as an alternative to IAM rules. So this is like identity-based policies, resource-based policies that we have to manage our resources. So this is how we can secure data in Amazon Glacier. Thank you so much.